in Mount Holly,
Well,
New
what the
Jersey
heck?
has issued
Maybe
a
a flood
special
advisory.
warning for coastal and outer
Dude,
waters
what
from
the heck?
Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, until 8:45 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 19 nautical miles northwest of Pine Beach to 28 nautical miles northwest of Little Egg Inlet, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Don't
Source,
pull a movie.
radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Ship Bottom,
Let's go.
Marmaget Light Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Harvey Cedars, Ford River, La Valette, Barnegat Light, Garden State North Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Seaside Park, Manasquan Inlet, and Pine Beach.
That's crazy. Another one.